Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to easily draw nose. Step 1. Firstly start with a circle and two curved lines on each side for the bridge. Keep the strokes light so they can be erased in later steps. Step 2. Draw a horizontal line through the middle of the circle and a diamond-like shape around it for the nostrils. Shade around the outer part of the bridge and around the inner part of the circle, making a long U shape. Step 4. Follow the diamond shape to create the nostrils. Continue with adding shading to the nose to create the illusion of a light source. Be careful, not add more lines. Instead, just concentrate on light and dark areas. shape and contour the bridge and ball of the nose. You can shade around the top of the circle to make the nose look pointed. Use a blending pen to give it a softer look. Add some touch-ups. As long as you keep looking for the dark and light areas on the nose and draw what you see, your nose will look realistic. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to make a request drop it down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified when a new video comes out. Thanks for watching.